Oh, that's pretty. I gotta cross this stream, but I don't want to get my feet wet. They'll get me blisters bad. I think I might be able to hop across the stones upstream a little bit. Oh, I'm getting a little thirsty. In case you're wondering, it's just water. Just water. Oh. There it is. Aha! You know, I'm not sure what berry this is. I'm gonna look it up when I get home. It's got yellow gooey flesh with about half a dozen big seeds. Oh, look at that. Oh, they didn't like me sticking my camera in there. If I was in a survival situation, I could knock that nest down, run like the devil, and come back the next day or in like 12 hours.